Hi, Miss Shella. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Shelami Borelio, 34 years old from Crisostomo, General Santos City. I am 34 years old and I have a live-in partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes sir, I have kids. My son is 9-year-old and I have one daughter which is 2 years old.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My husband and my mother-in-law, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling, I have one brother. I am the first in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate, sir.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, sir, but I work in the Philippines for a couple from September 2018 to September 2020. I did all the household work like cleaning, cooking, laundering, and ironing, and also marketing.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I finished my contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a honest, trustworthy, adaptable, and I have a willing to learn attitude.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad to earn money to support my family and help my husband to support our basic needs, especially for the study of our children.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
No, sir, because we have cats and dogs in our house.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
If they're acting up, I will stop and react calmly, and I will tell about them calmly in a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my dear future employer, if you will hire me, I will do my best to finish my contract, and I will extend if you still need my service. I promise to treat you as my own family, and I am willing to learn your language and cook more Chinese food. Thank you.